This video explains how to use the new sponsorship management feature to manage and update all your sponsor information on Showing Scene. Sponsorship sales can be a great revenue source. Sponsors can be added to events, sections, rings, blocks, event extras, and classes on Showing Scene. Don't forget, you can add your own sponsor introduction in your profile, bringing it in line with your organization's tone of voice. Sponsor information is displayed out when entering or purchasing. You can also choose to include the sponsor information when generating your schedule and catalog to seamlessly give maximum exposure. The new sponsorships management lists everything in your event that can have sponsors added. The list will show the sponsor information already added against each item. This list could be extensive. Use the type filter to narrow down the list to a specific thing like classes. Use the section to further narrow down the list to a specific section, and use the search if you know the name of the item you want to update. Use the update button to add or edit the sponsor information. If you have any questions after watching this video, please get in touch with the Showing Scene team.